Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a short and interesting story. The title of today's story is The Lost Wallet. This story will help you improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary practice speaking English, so relax. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. Anna was walking in the park one sunny afternoon. The park was quiet and peaceful. Birds were singing in the trees. Children were playing near the playground. Anna enjoyed walking there after work. As she walked along the path, she suddenly noticed something on the ground. It was a wallet. Anna stopped and picked it up. The wallet was brown and a little old. She looked around. Did someone drop this? She wondered, but no one was nearby. Anna slowly opened the wallet. Inside, she saw some money, a few cards, and an ID card. The ID card had a name. The name was John Miller. Anna thought for a moment. Someone must be worried about this wallet, she said quietly. She looked at the address on the ID card. It was not very far from the park. Anna decided to return the wallet, so she walked to the address. After a few minutes, she arrived at a small house. She knocked on the door. A man opened it. He looked a little worried. "Hello," he said. Anna smiled politely. "Excuse me," she said. "Are you John Miller?" The man looked surprised. "Yes, I am," he replied. Anna held up the wallet. "Did you lose this?" John's eyes became wide. "My wallet," he said. "I've been looking for it everywhere." Anna gave the wallet back to him. John checked inside. Everything was still there. The money, the cards, everything. John looked very grateful. "Thank you so much," he said. "I thought I lost it forever." Anna smiled. "I'm just happy I could help," she said. John shook her hand warmly. "People like you make the world a better place," he said. Anna felt happy as she walked home. Sometimes a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Wallet. A wallet is a small case used to carry money and cards. Example: I keep my money in my wallet. Drop, drop means something falls accidentally. Example: he dropped his wallet on the street. Address. An address is the place where someone lives. Example: the address was written on the ID card. Grateful. Grateful means feeling thankful. Example: John felt grateful when Anna returned the wallet. Now let's listen to the story again. This time, listen carefully and repeat after me. Anna was walking in the park. She saw a wallet on the ground. She picked it up. Inside the wallet, she found an ID card. The name was John Miller. Anna decided to return the wallet. She went to the address. She knocked on the door. A man opened the door. "Are you John Miller?" Anna asked. "Yes, I am," he said. "Did you lose this wallet?" John looked very surprised. "My wallet," he said. "Thank you so much." Anna smiled. "I'm happy to help. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Did you lose this wallet? Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Lost Wallet. Remember, small acts of kindness can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning. Thank you very much. I'm happy to help. I found your wallet. Have a wonderful day. Excellent.